Good morning, children. This is our mathematics class. Today we are going to solve mental maths. This is page number 2, page number 3 of your mental maths book. Page number 3. Children, here two baskets are given. You can see ones and tens. And you have to pick the correct number and fill the given circles. First number is 59. So 50 plus 9. 5 tens, 50 plus 9. And you have to write the number name also here. So first one is given. Now the next number is 85. So 85, 80 plus 5, 85. Okay, 80 plus 5, 85. And write here 85. EIGHTY, 80. 5, FIVE, 5, 85. Okay. Next, the number is 37. So 37 is 30 plus 7, 37. And write 37 here. THIRTY, 30, SEVEN, 7, 37. In this way, children, write the numbers here. Like 28 is 20 plus 8, and write the number name here. Complete the remaining yourself. Next, write the place value of the digit in circle. So first look at the numbers. First 38. 8, you can see the circle digit is 8. So the place value of 8, you know children, ones place and tens place. 38, the place value of 8, as you can see 8 is at ones place, so the place value of 8 is 8. Next number is 62. Here you can see 6 is at tens place. 6 is at tens place. So the place value of 6 is 60. 6 tens, 60. Next 19. 19. 9 is circled here and 9 is at ones place. So place value of 9 is 9 ones, that is 9. Next 87. Ones, tens, and the number is 87. The circled digit is 8, and you can see children 8 is at tens place. So the place value of 8 is 8 tens, 80. 8 tens, 80. Right here 80. Then the last number is 26, and here 6 is at ones place. So the place value of 6 is 6 ones, 6. Right here 6. Write T for true and F for false in the given boxes. 8 tens plus 3 ones, 38. As you know children, 8 tens is 80 and 3 ones. So the number becomes 83, not 35. So this one is false. Next, 9 tens plus 0 ones equals 9. 9 tens, you know children, 9 tens is 90 plus 0 ones. So the number is 90. 90 plus 0, 90, not 9. So this one is also false. Okay, so number A and B both are false. Next, number C. 5 tens plus 6 ones, 56. 5 tens, 50. Plus 5 tens, 50. Plus 6 ones. So 50 plus 6, 56. You can see 56 is written here. So this is true. Right here T. And number D. 7 tens. You know 17, 10 is 70 and then 1 1. So 70 plus 1 is 71. 71. Yes, this one is also true. So fill the given boxes in this way. Next, this is next page. Page number 4, children. Three different place values are given for each digit in these numbers. Write them. Place value of 2 in 200. So children, you can see three different numbers given. For number A, question number A, 200, 420 and 302, 302. So you have to write the place value of 2 in each of the given numbers. So first write the place value chart in this way, ones, tens and hundreds, because now you have to write 3 digits numbers. So first write the place value chart, then put the number here. And now look at 2. 2 in 200, the number 200. 2 is at, you can see 2 is at hundreds place. So the place value of 2 here is 200. Write 200 here. Next, the number is 420. Again look at 2. 2 now in this number 2 is at tens place. Okay, so the place value of 2 is 2 tens 20. Next, the number is 302. And now the 2 is at ones place. So the place value of 2 is 2. Okay, so children, solve another one. Number B, place value of 7. Write place value chart, ones, tens, 100. So first number is 700. You can see 7 is at hundreds place. So the place value of 7 is 700. Next number is 576. Here 7 is at tens place. So the place value of 7 is, now it becomes 7 10 70. And the next number 17 17. The next number 617. Now the 7 is at ones place. So the place value of 7 in this number is 717. Okay children. So in this way solve the remaining sums yourself. Next, write T for true and F for false. The number 938 has 8 hundreds. So what is the given number, children? The given number is 938. 9 is at hundreds place, 3 is at tens place and 8 is at ones place. So now look at the question. Look at the sentence given here. The number 938 has 8 hundreds. 8 hundreds. You can see children here 9 is at 100 place. So the number has 9 hundreds, not 8 hundreds. Okay, 8 ones, 9 hundreds. So this one is false. Next, the place value of 5 is tens in the number 658. The place value of 5 is tens in number 650. So write the number first in the value chart. place value chart. 658. So where is 5, children? 5 is at tens place. So this one is true. Place value of 5 is 5 tens 50. Number C. In 501, 501, the place value of 5 is 1. Ones, tens, 100. 501. 5 is at hundreds place. So place value of 5 is 500, not 1. So this one is false. A 3-digit number has 3 place values. Yes, this one is true. 3 place values, hundreds, tens, and ones, tens, hundreds. In the number 880, the place value of 0 is hundreds. You can see, children, 0 is at ones place, not hundreds place. So this one is also false. So complete these 2 pages in your book with pencil, children. Thank you.